Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is a Dollar Tree haul. So I haven't been to the Dollar Tree very much in the last couple of weeks. In fact, these items I think I've had for at least a week sitting here waiting for me to share them with you. So I do hope that you're excited. I know I am. So if you are new to my channel, I do a lot of Dollar Tree makeup and haul content. So if that's your thing, you are definitely in the right place. And I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below so you can check that out and binge watch those videos. And I do hope that you will take just 1 second and hit the subscribe button and become one of my Dollar Divas. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for returning for yet another Dollar Tree haul. So without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So the first couple of items are kind of household items. First of all, I just repurchased more of these Luminescence Vanilla Scented Votive Candles. And these last me quite a while, like each one will last me maybe 3 evenings. So these really do burn, I feel, very well. And I am wanting to buy a big pack on Amazon or something like that, so I don't have to keep running out and buying these. But these do work in a pinch. These are vanilla. I also sometimes get the unscented, or they're white. I think they're like a linen or laundry scent or something like that. But yeah, these are really nice. Can't go wrong with vanilla. They're like a cream shade, so bought 2 packs of these. And then my stepdaughter is coming to visit from Florida, so I actually have one of these already. I think I purchased mine at the grocery store, and now Dollar Tree sells them, and it's this meat chopper. And y'all, if you don't know what this is or haven't used one of these, it will change your life when trying to break up ground beef in a pan. First of all, this is what it looks like. So it's kind of got this kind of shape. This one here is dishwasher safe. And basically when you put your ground beef in, or ground turkey, or whatever ground meat you have, you break it up and you twist this around, and it does it so much more quickly and just better than just like a wooden spoon or whatever we traditionally would try to use to break up the meat. So these are so handy. So I bought this for her because I've got one and love it, and it's just one of those little things that sometimes people wouldn't think to buy for themselves. So I picked this up for her. So now that we have that out of the way, of course, it's time to move on to the makeup and beauty items, because what would a trip to the Dollar Tree be without any of that stuff? So this first thing I picked up, and I actually purchased 3 of these. It's more of these little hair clips that are just beautiful. It's the Sincerely Jewels by Scrunchie. And it's these gorgeous clips. They're rose gold with rhinestones, and they have this type of an enclosure, which I really like. I feel like it really gets into the hair very easily. So I actually picked up 3 of these, and then I picked up, my nails need done desperately. It's been about 3 weeks. They're a mess, but I have been better about doing my nails with the gel polish and the LED light and all that good stuff. And I wanted to try this because my cuticles are horrible. Even on a good day, they're pretty terrible. Even if I try to take care of them, they're still pretty terrible. But I bought this Sassy Plus Chic cuticle remover. It's got aloe vera in it, so it gently removes overgrown cuticles. So I'm gonna give this a try and just see if it helps me at all. So then I picked up this Hard Candy Sheer Envy Blurring Primer. 12-hour perfected soft focus blur effect, selfie approved. And I've got a couple Hard Candy primers, but this is the first time I've seen this particular one. I like the one I have already. It has that nice, really smooth feel, and so let's see if this does as well. Like I said, I love the one that I have. This one has a slight tint to it, which the other one is white. This one's a little bit pinkish or peachish. Just a very light scent. Very, very light, if even at all. And yeah, it feels very soft. So these are the other 2 that I have that I found at the Dollar Tree. So now I have this one as well. So definitely keep an eye out at your Dollar Tree for these. So then I thought this was really pretty. So this is the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Gloss. It's apparently a high shine lip gloss, and this is in Mocha Amazing. And I thought this was a beautiful shade. It's got some sparkle in it. So let's go ahead and swatch it. The packaging is super nice. The scent is not great. It kind of smells like plastic, but not too strong either though, just very subtle. But that is a gorgeous shade. So very excited to try it. So I get a couple more lip products. I've just got so many lip products. I feel like it makes up the majority of like my Dollar Tree makeup hauls. So then I found another one of these hard candy plumping serums. This one is in Fiery. So here is what it looks like, just a kind of a deep wine shade with sparkle. So let's swatch it and see what it's like. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my goodness. It's a very wearable wine, and it's almost prismatic. I mean, it's so gorgeous. The camera doesn't even do it justice. It is so pretty. So super excited. If you see this, this is a beautiful shade. Then I found another one of these hard candy velvet mousse matte lip colors. This is in Tulip. Of course, they come in these little containers. And I picked it up because it's kind of like a red. So I was intrigued. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh, I'm hoping this is as pretty as it looks like it is. Wow, that's a bright red. I don't know if it's a blue-based red, but it is really bright. Beautiful. You know me, I love a red, so very excited to try this as well. This will probably be really good with a glitter lip, like a red glitter lip, just saying. Then the last lip product is another hard candy glitterazzi. I think I've already purchased one of these before. This is the Press and Play Glitter Reveal Lip Color. I do not know what that means. This is in the shade Dazzle, and this is what the packaging looks like. So this is what it goes on like. Really pretty shade. As it dries, I think it reveals glitter. Okay, it says Glitterazzi Press and Play changes from a matte lip color into a sparkling finish with just the press of your lips. So you're supposed to press your lips together. So I'm gonna try this for you guys because it seems like that's the only way to really test it. So I'm gonna take off the lip color I'm wearing at the moment. So it says to apply the color evenly on your lips and let it dry for 90 seconds. So I'm waiting for it to dry. It says once it's dry, firmly press the outer edges of lips together and slowly roll forward to reveal hidden sparkles. Repeat to unveil even more shimmering effects. So we'll wait. While we're waiting, I'll show you the last item and then we'll see if this works. And I've already dug into this, to be completely honest, because I thought it was so pretty, but it's the Hard Candy Glitter Vibes palette. So it's this beautiful packaging. It's like a really substantial, thick packaging, but it's not like offensive. And it comes, look at this, y'all. It's got some, I've dipped into a couple of the eyeshadows already and they're gorgeous. And the glitters, I've dug into that one quite a bit. And as you can see, the glitter, it's not just the top that's sparkly. It's sparkly all the way down, which, you know, sometimes is a problem with glitter palettes. You know, they'll be really sparkly and pretty on the top, only for there to be like nothing beyond that and just a complete waste. But this is like some real quality, like cream glitter. But there they all are, and I don't even know if the camera will do them justice. Very, very pretty, very, very good quality. So this is a very good quality pressed glitter. I was so pleasantly surprised. I literally thought it was gonna probably be a waste of $1. We'll swatch some of these other shades because really all of these eyeshadows are good quality. So there's the 4 shades that it comes with. They're creamy, they're pigmented, they're not splotchy. So those are like all the swatches. It is gorgeous. If you like something like this and you see this at your Dollar Tree, definitely pick it up. Okay, I'm gonna assume it's been 90 seconds. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there is a very subtle glitter. It's like a gold glitter. That's really pretty. Like I said, it's really subtle. And now I've had this issue going on with my lips. I have a thing that I've learned about myself in the last year. I'm allergic to certain toothpastes. I thought it was just cinnamon toothpaste, but it turns out it's a certain ingredient in certain toothpaste that after a few days of using it, my lips will literally burn and become really chapped. So right now I'm still trying to get over a bout of that. So my lips are kind of dry. So I don't know if it's my lips or if it's the lip gloss, but it's a very dry lip gloss. Like I said, it's kind of bothering me because of the condition my lips are in, but it might not bother me if my lips were healthy at the moment. But it is pretty. It does have glitter in it. I mean, it did work. I didn't really have high hopes for it. So yeah, very, very interesting product. I've never used something like this before. So I hope you enjoyed another Dollar Tree haul, and comment down below if you've seen any of these products at your local Dollar Tree. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It does help me and my channel out. If you want to binge watch more videos like this, I will have that Dollar Tree playlist linked down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.